Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, welcome. WYGO stands for When You Get Old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what I received in the February 2022 Allure beauty box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so here we have the illustrious polarizing Allure beauty box. If anyone's not aware of what this box is about, it is a $23 a month beauty subscription where you get 6+ products. 3 are guaranteed to be full size. Where the controversy comes into play is this used to be one of everyone's favorite beauty boxes a couple years ago when it was $15 a month. I don't mind this box, or else obviously I wouldn't keep subscribing. It does tend to lean a little more skincare heavy, which also a lot of people aren't into the skincare. But I'm old. I need the skincare. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what came in the box. I will comment that this, again, 2 months in a row, is a larger size box than that one. It's about an inch around all sides bigger, which I did call out in last month's unboxing. If you missed that, I will link it up above. All right, we do get a card, or a little pamphlet. It has pricing for full-size items. We do get some sample sizes, so I will do some math, and that will be part of the dollar amount that shows up in the little wording description of the product. All right, enough rambling. What is this first item? What do we have here? The what? The buzzer? What is this? Can't believe it's like butter. If you're old enough to remember the commercial for, I can't believe it's not butter. What is it? The guy who models for the book covers. What's his name? Fabio? Yeah. What is this? It comes in one of those metal tubes. Okay, it's pretty bad when you can't tell what a product is. Is this a hand cream? Hold on. All right, so it's one of those. Yeah, you got to pop the metal top with the little pointy thing in the cap. Let me read the booklet because I honestly thought this was going to be like an ointment for, like, I don't know, your cuticles, your elbows. Since it says the face, I need more information. Okay, first of all, I'm assuming this is one of their full-size items, and it retails for $32. That is way pricier than I thought. Okay, it says that you use it by applying a thin layer whenever you are looking for a dose of hydration. The mask is meant for face and body, and leave it, oh, it's a leave on. You leave it on for 20 minutes or overnight. Wait, what? And when you want more moisture. How? And if you leave it on overnight, that's weird. Somebody explain to me how that works. I don't do leave-ons. You leave it on wait, what? I think of a mask as like it's goopy and like it's green and you look weird and you got to wash it off. All right, I'm going to move along to the next item or else I will be here all day. Next item. What is this? All right, this looks like a sample. This is from Briogeo. Don't despair, repair. Sounds like something I would say because I love a good rhyme. This is what? Something for the hair, because that rhymes with despair and repair. It's a deep conditioning mask. What is with the masks? Is that just this time of year? Okay, well, it's hair care. Moving along to the next item. What is this? I did see a word on here which is making me not really be excited. This is from Heritage Store, and it's Rosewater, refreshing facial mist for all skin types. It's vegan and cruelty free, and you get 30 ml. That's a tiny looking 30 ml. All right, I'm gonna spritz this. If I don't like the scent, just know I haven't touched anything inside, and it may go in a giveaway. I will inquire first. All right, let's see how good the spritzer is. Fine-ish, but the type where it's fine with big globs, and oh my goodness. Okay, I lied. I spritzed it twice, and I do smell the rose. Alrighty, moving on to the next item. What is this? It's very lightweight. It's from Evelyn Rose. What is with the rose? Is that your name, Evelyn? Or this scent? And it's a velvet body melt. What? Oh, Crabtree and Evelyn. The Evelyn Rose Velvet Body Melt. What is a body melt? Why is this box like making me feel stupid today with products and things I've never heard of before? Okay. Is everything pink and rose scented because it's February, because of Valentine's Day? Let's see what happened there. It's kind of filled all the way. Well, not really. And then it probably sat on its side. Oh, no, it smells like rose. I'm going to put that back on top. Put the lid on and move along to the next item. What do we have here? This is from ModelCo. Ooh, okay, we got some makeup. And this is a metallic eyeshadow trio. Oh, the size, I thought, oh, it's a single band. If this is a trio, it's a tiny one. Wait, now I'm confused what the full-size products are. And I have received this before. This is looking very familiar. Did I get this in Allure? Something will float on screen after I do my research and editing to figure out where I received this product from. I'm not even going to try to lift the lid because I can't. If I already own this, then I'll put this aside to a giveaway. All right, and the last item, we have a product here from Dr. Brandt. Save the day, Dr. Brandt. This will be full size, which is the Say I Love You Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. Okay, I was looking for another exfoliator. Well, do I have some in the plethora of the boxes of stuff? Yes. By looking for, meaning I wanted one to fall into my hand so I could just stick it in my shower. I really need to go through all my stuff, but I want to film it, and then my anxiety because it's a lot of work. Anyways, at some point in the year 2022, I will do a organization video sometime. I promise. What does this retail for? Because I know this will be one of the full-size items. No. Shut up. No. $79? For 60 grams, 2 ounces? Wow. All right. Well, see, $23 box. You got a 79, almost 80 bucks in one of the products. All right. So there we go. Let's recap. Man, I'm in a mood. Let's recap everything that came in this box. So we got a super bougie $80 exfoliator from Dr. Brandt, a Rosewater facial mist, a hair conditioning mask from Briogeo, a sample body cream from Evelyn and Crabtree, an eyeshadow trio from ModelCo, and a Topicals Like Butter hydrating mask. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are that I don't really care for this month's box. Honestly, I think they're going to say this mini trio of eyeshadows is full size. It retails for $18. Thank goodness for this, because this $80 product from a really good brand, Dr. Brandt exfoliator, I know I'm going to like and enjoy, so it paid for this box. But the other items, this one scares me because anything that comes in this tube is usually, it's like a bomb that's makes me think of stuff I've been prescribed. It's sticky or kind of like, not sticky, glossy, goopy, doesn't go into the skin. I don't know. I'm scared about this one. Don't think I'm going to use it. Leave me a comment if you've tried that before. and walk me off the ledge that it's good. Rose, no. Hair products, short, don't need. Another Rose. Anyway, so I'm going to list the MSRP value. Thank you, Dr. Brandt, for making this at least $100, if not a little more. But give me your thoughts. I know a lot of you are like, I don't even like this box. The last 2-3 months have been pretty good. I've been satisfied. This is the first box in a while where I'm a little, really? So they get one strike. I will see if October, I believe, is when I renew. If they continue to go downhill, this could just be a little hiccup, a little bump in the road, and then I will determine later on if I am going to continue with this box. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. If you could do me the biggest favor and click the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.